Good morning mga ka-hardware. So, early ta din, no? Early kayo, mga sana ba? Alas 7 ng umaga pa lang, nandito na tayo. So, yung boses natin wala binata konti. So, samahan nyo ako. Dito na ako mag-breakfast sa hardware at saka mag-coffee. Kunin ko tong bag ko at saka yung may wagang stand ko. Yan. I-off ko muna to. So, I hope ngayon mabisi kami. Bigyan nyo kami ng maraming sales, Lord. Tara. Lakad tayo. Here, malinis na. Ayo. Nailansang 5 kilo. Niloko ko sila, guys. Maaga pa. So, let's do breakfast. May nagbabalik, guys, sa bahay ng sa bahay ni Kuya. Sa vlog. Mag-vlog-adag. Hindi ka kapatid, iba dan 10 gives, guys, kung hindi ka vlogger. Yan, dapat vlogger ang lahat. O, sige, kunwari na kayo maglinis dyan kasi mag-video na ako. Kunwari. Hindi, nagalinis talaga yan sila. Kahit hindi na utusan. Sige. See you in my breakfast. Ano yan? See you on my breakfast. Yan, guys. Medyo na busy kami kanina. Hindi medyo. Busy talaga. Kasi yes, sir. Yan na. Si ate na bahala nito. Yes, sir. What's your order? Don't laugh. Hi, my friend. Good morning. Oh.
For this 13-inch.
13-inch.
Flexibles. We have for that orders. Please go on, be. Hello.
English dra.
Please get that one. He wants to order the 13 inches. You will find. Still take, Jay. Sukato na to ni. Ako kayo. Narito yun, yung isa te. Kaya ko ng isa ka balot, gunting nga. Sa gunting, Yan, guys, so mga stock namin, guys. Grabe ang higpit ng pagkatali. Parang ayaw ibenta. So, kailangan namin ng steel tape kasi ang gusto ni Sir African.
13 inch.
13 inch. Yes, you will find
Much too low.
measure tape.
Usually said the length is on the label sometimes. You haven't got the label.
Yes. This is leaking.
12 inch either end.
Steel tape, please.
Now we're talking. That's about right.
16 inches.
How many?
16 inches.
Oh, that's a bit long. Is that maybe these are all 6. What is this one?
This is all 16, sir. We have no stock of 13. But the difference is 3 inches only.
Well, I can bend it, but then it looks ugly. I want to try and find the 13-inch first.
14.
Oh, okay. Well, that should be all right. That's close enough. Yeah. And also,
Ano pa bago dito, te? Bilisan na. Check ko daw dito isa.
let me just check.
Check pa daw dito isa, te. It's 14 inches.
Yeah.
Closer.
It can work, I think, if you don't have 13. Do you want to find some more?
Yes. She's trying.
Oh, this one is a bit damaged though. This one is not in great condition. This one is spoiled for me.
This one also is 14. No damage.
Ah. Oh, in fact, this is. I hope this is shorter.
Short? Maybe 13.
It might be. Yeah, let me check the
Still tape.
measurement.
13. In one half.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's excellent. Okay, let me take this one. And I need to check if you have this tap straight through. You see
The letter T?
that tap?
Is that like
Well,
valve?
you see it's a faucet, a tap. Well, I just need to check if you have it. That's all. I might not need it. Are you open tomorrow?
Yes.
From what time? 7 a.m.
6:30.
From 6:30. Oh, very early.
Close 5:30.
5:30
Yes. Close.
in the evening. Yeah.
Can I see the picture?
No, that's a quite different one.
But different design.
Of course, it's quite different. Look at it. It's not comparable at all. I guess you don't have it.
We have, but it's plastic. Like
It
this.
could. Oh no, that's different. That's
No, plastic.
the thread. See, this couldn't connect onto here, could it? See,
Outside.
this one connects onto here.
Di ba itong pwede table ba nito? Sa puli kasi sir. Nga di ba o? Ito niya, pagsigolos. Nga, ilisay po dyan yung mag-liter tigrin. Tilaw na niya. Tibal.
Extension siya.
Okay. I will make an example, sir. Example only.
Let me look. Let me look.
This one, you will connect here.
No, that won't work. See, it's got three. No, I guess you don't have it. Let me take this. How much?
This is 70 pesos. 70 pesos. Only.
Okay, it's very good.
You only fix your, sink.
Shower. It's for the shower.
You fix.
Yeah, the old one is dirty and damaged. It's not good. And also there's a leak. There's a leak around that tap, but I might be able to fix that.
I receive 100.
Sige na, ma'am.
You will put in the.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
Yes po.
Thank you, my friend. So, ayan guys, may customer si Intong. At time to assemble. Ang galing ni Intong guys, pag may customer kami na magpapa-assemble, siya na lang yung gagawa. At saka ang bait-bait naman ng mga customer. Yan. Rubber plug na dire. Tag 40. Ang ingay ng kapitbahay namin guys. Doon guys oh. Maingay masyado. Basher ako nila. Sara Das isa. Hi to my vlog, sir.
Yes, hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Philippines.
You will use this for?
For I have a security.
Oh, CCTV
very
cable.
thin. I
Yes.
want to fix cable.
And how many pieces?
10 pieces.
20 pesos only.
Okay.
No small bills? Yeah.
Never this change. I don't know. I have also one problem, drainage tap, drainage, some washing machine, hose, flexible hose. You have hose, but I want to fix this one. How to fix?
Like this, sir?
Show me.
Oh, yan guys. Englishera na kaming lahat dito. Kaya mo yan, te.
Can I?
Kasi yung si sir, American customer.
This one,
Yeah.
This drainage tap, I want to fix permanent because loose. My wife thinks.
Tay angry.
Yeah,
Iya, the hose, ma'am.
I'm afraid.
Ganun nagtutubig.
Ah.
Kailangan namin
This
Eh.
one, this one have this drain for screw type, for
basta boy.
Yeah, what is this? I don't know. You have drain.
Ano? Google. Pakita Google.
Show me. Let me show me.
Picture daw.
Google. Call a friend.
Yeah. Show me.
Wait.
Okay, show me. Yes.
We will find a way, sir.
Yeah.
Wait lang. What's your order? Something.
Yeah, something for drain.
Drainage.
Drainage. I think our work is buying.
Drain for washing?
For red color, 2-inch drain. What is this drain cup? Yeah, this one I want to fix this hose.
Drain for washing. How about this one?
I have this type. We don't have this drain for screw pipe. What is this? For filter or cleaning.
You have that.
I have already. Where is you have products? Show me.
This one only I offer to you. It's a set product.
I have already. I want to fix this one for drain. I will go take picture and I show you.
Sure. You come back, okay?
Yeah, sure, I'm here. You're my neighbor. But no direct way.
Asa yung item? This is your change, 480 pesos.
180 pesos. Okay. And then this is mine. I will come back. I will make picture and video. We will solve together our problem.
Okay,
Now
that's
my
good.
wife angry.
Butang ako ang ilong ni Ray Jason, nagdugo. I-edit ako, naidugo yung ilong.
This player, how much? This player. This player. Show me one player. You have player?
What?
You have player, electric tools. This one, tools. This is nose player, right? Good. This is nose player. This is nose. See, like my nose.
Long
Nose. Long nose. See, long nose. I need normal player. You have?
What do you want? Short?
Player, there is. See, electric
plier.
player. Where is this?
Plier.
Yes. Player. This one, yeah. How I will do it, this one?
About this one, no? Diagonal?
This is also cutting player. Look, this is cutting player. Cutting player. That's okay. You order and next time, no problem.
Next time, you come back, okay?
Yeah. You have tools, everything. Good. Okay lang, okay. Okay lang. Yeah. I will come back again.
heto na tayo mga ka-hardware. Una na ng hapon. Ay, mag-alas 2 na pala. Ano ba yan? So boring. Pero nag-crave ako ng macaroni na pink. Wala pink. Tay, paano yung macaroni na pink, Tensky? Tensky? Color pink na macaroni. Ang sound siya?
Same naman.
Same lang. Okay. So, order tayo ng ano, 1/2 lang akong palito na kasi nag-crave ako ng macaroni. Buntis ba ako? Ano ba yan? Buntis ko, te?
Purata. Purata ka.
Ano naman dahil namin, no? Pinatay ko muna yung ano, yung video call. Ay, pinatay. Di-off. Ano man yan? Ay, pinatay. So, ate, Gina ka, magluto tagwan.
Ha?
Gina ka, magluto tag.
Sure.
Sige. So, ano ang sa itong ingredients gani? Ulit agad to. Ulitin mo nga. Condense.
Cream densada.
Cream densada. Cheese. Ting. Ito pa. Ang macaroni, di ba?
Macaroni din.
Ayoko yung fruit salad. Sige, yan na. Abangan nyo guys, yung lulutuin namin. Relax lang kayo dyan. So, baka kung magluto-luto kami, mabisi na kami. Maraming customer. Di ba ganyan man yan? Pag meron ka nang ginagawa, dun pa pumupunta yung customer. Alas 3 na, merinda na ta. Asa yung merinda dyan, te?
Parini.
Asa to? Cake na siya, kanang puti. So, free taste natin. Saan ni te? Tilaw? Humok. Gaya pa. Gaya pa. Medyo matigas-tigas pa guys. Ito ako magsama-sama.
Ikaw pa yung nag-chat, sabi sa say mo ha?
Ano ko, cancel lang. So, okay na guys. Binili na lang nila yung ano, yung today's ayun na ito, fruit salad. Buta na tayo nga yung macaroni, te?
Yes.
Tapos, yung cream densada. Wow! So, nagtalikod si ate para makita yung ano niya. Makita yung likod. Yan guys, pinapalambot na namin yung macaroni! Ano guys, wala pa kami yung customer. Nakita yung pet namin at saka dinadalaw na kami na antok. So, try naman natin. Sige, lakaw te!
Ilaw pagyapon?
Napagapon?
Tama na. Ilaw
Ilaw pa.
pa. Ilaw pa gani. Kurawa dahil.
Medyo matigas pa guys, siguro mga 5 minutes pa.
Islap lagi mo ni ma'am. Slap! Slap na? Time-lapse. Ay, time-lapse. Gapon mo ni ma'am.
Oo, tapos isang cream densada.
Cream densada,
Pila? Dalawang cream densada, tapos
isang cream.
tapos isang cheese. Yun, no?
Tapos ang pula na guys, tao.
So, basta ngayon lang kayo nakakita ng ano, ng nasa kaldero ng
Living satisfied na.
Living satisfied.
Yes.
Pero yung pawis mo tayo hindi nahulog dyan, te.
Hindi.
Say, para sa tiyan.
Tikman mo na.
Dalawang balonan. Hindi, magtikim na ako pag ano na, malamig na. So, ayan guys. So, shout out pala sa chef ko, hindi lang chef. Minsan labor, minsan cashier, minsan ano pa yung utos ko sa'yo, te? Minsan ano, na Tagalinis, ano ba? Sige, kasi yung in-applyan niya, ano daw siya doon sa resume niya. fit to all, ano? Ano ba? Hardworking ang bebe na. Sabi niya kasi sa resume niya, hardworking. I'm hardworking. So, yan. Binigyan kita ng work. Ay, balin saan ko, ambe? Laptop. So, time check. Time check is 2:30. So, yan na. Sobrang init na. Siguro wala kaming customer kasi ang init-init. Bugnaw?
Yes.
Sarap! What? Nadere. Oh, ang lakas naman ang ang lakas naman ang rigo.
Uy, kainin yun. Sarap yun.
Ang lakas naman ng pangamoy mo.
Kaldero pa.
Sabi nila fake news yung paglaya. So, kahit fake news, mag-celebrate pa din tayo eh.
Kami pa rin eh. Basta.
So, akala mo, libre.
Anak kami niya nung. Kaya ito.
Tag 150, puno.
Kahit wala pang bayad.
Hello guys, walang hiya sa tinapi oh. Ang laki ng
Pwede mo ba
kaldero niya
kainin?
kaysa baunan.
Di ba? May
Ito kay madam to, ito atin.
ganyan. Dili kayo. Wala ko'y baso. Then lang.
Ito atin.
Ito mo dyan.
Yun.
Uy, lami. Mani sila nagawa ni.
Ay, syempre.
Siyempre, sino?
Syempre, sa Tensky. Ang triple der hardware.
Wati daw kayo ni Ma'am Glory. Nag-comment siya sa ano mo.
Yan siya. Tulog tayo. Glory for this video.
Punta ka doon. Kami. Habang marami dito. Oo. Hindi lang.
Happy birthday,
Mas Jean.
Gaya nga si Duterte.
Naglaya lang tatay natin. Fighting na siya tumuloy sa Pilipinas.
Cheese lang. Yan. Kita dyan. Doon ka tinapi. Eto. Kau sa bago ka sa pan.
Oy, halika. Hi. Thanks. Ang ganda naman ako.
Klaro, Jay. Lalo mo to sa reps.
Uy, huwag doon sa may ano.
Sa rep
May
yan.
gabi, wala na. Bato na.
Rep na yan.
Ako na bahala mag-grip.
Sarap. Ayan. Maraming makaroni. Ha? Lagan na. Bye-bye guys! Lagi pa talaga yung ginugulat sa atin. So, salamat sa pagtingin ba? Pag-watch ng vlog namin dito sa hardware kahit wala kaming benta, kain lang kami. Parang malaking size namin. Si Intong guys, may meeting siya mamaya guys. Meeting di Avance. So, ganito lang yung vibes namin guys. So, naka-gray kami. Gray ba po? Uy, basin ako yung penalty sa office. Hindi, free uniform ko kasi wala ko bukas. Rest day ko. Ang rest day, ilaag. Ano ba yan? Labi ng silit eh. Wala. Sirado. Sirado na mo? Wala lang. Bonan! Di, huwag mong kalimutan yung bonan natin. Salamat na sa mga viewers. Bye! Sabihin mo tayo, magbibis na bukas dito.
Pili kayo dito sa Triple J bukas.
Ikaw! Si Kakaon rin na. Let's go!